Like, subscribe and get notified.
Jamaat-e-Islami Hind Goa announced the launch of the 10-day nationwide campaign, Ideal Neighbourhood, Ideal Society, to be held from 21st to 30th November, as part of Jamaat-e-Islami Hind All India initiative to revive India's fading culture of neighbourliness, social trust, and community cooperation. Jamaat-e-Islami Hind Goa appealed to all residents of the state to wholeheartedly support this initiative and cooperate in rebuilding healthy, compassionate, and peaceful neighbourly relations.
Basically, there's a 10-day nationwide campaign, Rights of Neighbours, Ideal Neighbourhood, Ideal Society. The whole purpose of this campaign is today, because of individualism, materialism, lack of communication between neighbours, WhatsApp university, there's a lot of misunderstanding that is going on in the society. Little issues, petty issues get blown up so much, they go to court cases, police complaints, neighbours fight with each other, housing societies do not live in peace. So life has become stressful, and the social fabric is disintegrating, and people, the social harmony is getting unsettled. So we thought it fit and necessary that we go to the people and remind them that neighbour is the first line of defense, not the first line of offense. So we will go to people, we will meet them, we will appeal to the people of Goa through media, through different tools which we can use, so that we can communicate this noble message. All the religious scriptures, all the prophets, all the saints have given one message, that our Creator is one, that we are children of the same parent. Everybody wants to live in peace and harmony. That is why, as members of the society, we all need to get together and create this awareness. Individual reformation and collective reformation is the need of the hour.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop Number 2 Marwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop Number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.
Hello everyone. Today we are at ASG and we will be asking people to describe IFE in one word.
IFE is iconic.
IFE is prestigious.
IFE is global.
IFE is cinematic.
IFE is visionary.
IFE is artistic.
IFE is timeless.
IFE is grand. IFE is impactful.
IFE is vibrant.
IFE is captivating.
Stay tuned. 2 days to go.